How to fix ChatGPT sign up issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix the sign up issue on ChatGPT, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix the sign up issue on ChatGPT, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your ChatGPT app over here. Then once you launch a ChatGPT app, this is the kind of interface that you will see. So just tap on continue option. Now when you tap on the sign up option, if you're not being able to sign up, maybe you must have selected other platforms. Now ChatGPT supports an independent email or your Google or Apple ID. That's the only one that they currently support. So you can tap on sign up with email, or it could be because that email is already registered to another account. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead and then make sure to enter that email over there. Then once you make sure to enter that email, you can go ahead and then basically sign up using that account or that email address. Now if you're having the issue, you can just try to check a couple of your internet connection, make sure you have access to the email, create a password, and you'd have successfully signed up for ChatGPT. So this way you can solve ChatGPT sign up issue. I hope that the video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.